In this video we're going to talk about uppercase and lowercase duplication. Now this occurs where typically people are writing URLs as if they're sentences, or they've constructed them from page titles or some other sort of systematic way and have failed to force them all into lowercase. Now again, with most content or duplicate content issues, especially with canonicalisation issues, what we're looking at is a page being accessible from more than one URL, and this is a classic example of how that's possible. With an uppercase character or several uppercase characters in a URL, the URL itself becomes then accessible from with the uppercase characters and without them. And if you link to that page inconsistently, then you're giving signals to Google that there's potentially more than one page, and you're leaving it to Google to determine which one to show. Now on a Windows server, this isn't so much of a problem because it doesn't recognize those as being different pages, but on Linux and Apache servers, uppercase characters will actually be identified as a unique URL separate from their lowercase counterparts. So this can be more of an issue if you're using different technology, but in any case it needs to be resolved. Failure to resolve this kind of problem, again, it's not a massive issue for a site, but it's every little thing counts when it comes to SEO. And in this case, you're losing control of how that content's being displayed and what content can be shown in the search results. And there's a couple of ways that we can go around this. So firstly, obviously, just not using uppercase characters and only using lowercase characters would be the preferred method. Secondly, you can use a force redirect to force lowercase characters to be used. And thirdly, you want to implement canonical tags on your site. We've mentioned this in other videos. Essentially, you just need to be consistent with those canonical tags and ensure that you're using only lowercase characters within them. Now, even more than this, we want to look at the links on a site. All of the internal links need to be consistent with your plan. So you don't want to be using uppercase characters within the links. Essentially, this will then go through a redirect if you've set that up correctly, or it will simply land on an incorrect page and create a problem for you. So that's everything really to do with uppercase and lowercase characters. As I say, this is really part of a series of videos on canonicalisation. If you'd like to see more of this, check out our YouTube channel or our website at raptor-dmt.com. Thanks for watching.